ASNT MT Level 3 refresher course or preparatory classes for ASNT Level 3 exam for this method by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you are an experienced magnetic particle testing professional preparing for ASNT MT Level 3 certification renewal, revalidation, or simply looking to refresh your technical knowledge and reinforce your Level 3 responsibilities, this video is for you. This video is also meant for professionals looking for ASNT MT Level 3 preparatory classes. They can also join this course, online course. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers a comprehensive ASNT MT Level 3 refresher course online, especially designed for MT Level 2 and Level 3 professionals seeking to maintain technical competence, strengthen confidence, and achieve continued success as responsible ASNT Level 3 professionals. In this video, we will discuss importance of ASNT MT Level 3 certification, course objectives, major topics covered, study materials and references, who should attend, course schedule, why choose URGS International. Let us begin. Why ASNT MT Level 3 certification matters. Magnetic particle testing is one of the most widely used non-destructive testing methods for detecting surface and near-surface discontinuities in ferromagnetic materials. Industries depending on MT include oil and gas, aerospace, power generation, petrochemical, automotive, steel plants, fabrication, heavy engineering, pressure vessel manufacturing. ASNT Level 3's personnel are responsible for developing procedures and techniques, training and qualifying personnel, reviewing specifications and codes, approving inspection reports, conducting audits, providing technical guidance and supervision. Therefore, maintaining competence through refresher training is essential. Course objectives. The ASNT MT Level 3 refresher course is designed to refresh MT principles and theory, reinforce Level 3 responsibilities, strengthen understanding of codes and standards, improve interpretation and evaluation skills, enhance technical confidence and judgment, support certification renewal and revalidation, provide focused exam-oriented revision. Model 1 MT Principles and Theory. Participants will review principles of magnetic particle testing, understanding magnetic fundamentals, magnetic fields and flux lines, leakage fields, indication information. MT Reliability and Sensitivity, understanding probability of detection POD, reliability studies, inspection sensitivity, technique optimization, magnetization methods including circular magnetization, longitudinal magnetization, coil method, central conductor method, prod techniques, Yoke techniques, demagnetization methods. Participants learn AC demagnetization, DC demagnetization, field reduction techniques, residual magnetism control, technique development. Level 3 professionals should understand developing new techniques, technical demonstrations, optimization of inspection parameters. Model 2 MT Equipment and Materials. Topics covered include MT equipment, yokes, benches, power packs, portable equipment, UV lamps, lighting equipment. Inspection media, understanding dry particles, wet particles, visual particles, fluorescent particles. Equipment selection based on material type, product category, product geometry, inspection requirements, sensitivity requirements. Quality control, participants understand performance verification, equipment maintenance, calibration requirements, particle concentration checks. Model 3 Interpretation, Evaluation and Documentation. A major responsibility of Level 3 personnel. Topics include flaw characteristics, understanding discontinuities associated with castings, forgings, weldments, rolled products, relevant and non-relevant indications. Participants learn linear indications, rounded indications, false indications, non-relevant indications. Acceptance criteria based on ASME codes, ASTM standards, API standards, customer specifications. Documentation. Level 3 professionals should review reports, approve inspection records, verify interpretations, ensure traceability. Now Model 4 codes, standards, specifications and procedures. Participants review ASME Section 5, ASTM standards, API standards, client requirements, contractual specifications. They also learn how to prepare MT procedures, develop technique sheets, approve written instructions, establish acceptance criteria. Module 5, MT Training and Certification Programs. Level 3 professionals are responsible for developing training programs, preparing examinations, conducting classroom and practical training, qualifying personnel, proctoring examinations, auditing certification programs, evaluating personal competency. Now, study materials and main references. This course is based on major HNT references including HNT Level 3 Study Guide MT 2nd edition, HNT Level 2 Study Guide MT 3rd edition, Magnetic Particle Testing Classroom Training Book 2nd edition, HNT Questions and Answer Book 4th edition, Quick Reference Method Cards, NDT Handbook Volume 8 MT 3rd edition, Program Instruction Series, Relevant Discontinuities MT and PT, Non-relevant and false indications. These references provide excellent support for revision and examination preparation. Now, who should attend? This course is ideal for HNT MT Level 3 candidates, Level 2 and Level 3 professionals, NDT managers and engineers, QA/QC professionals, welding engineers, metallurgists, mechanical engineers, production engineers, asset integrity engineers, RBI inspectors. Course schedule: HNT MT Level 3 refresher course every month. Course date 2nd to 28th of every month, 20 days. Duration 40 hours. Mode online through Zoom. Timing 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. Flexible monthly batches are available throughout the year. Why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? At URGS, we provide experienced HNT Level 3 instructors, exam-focused training approach, comprehensive study guidance, discussion of codes and standards, flexible online classes, continuous technical support, industry-oriented practical knowledge, personalized mentoring for Level 3 success. Our goal is not only certification success but also developing competent and responsible Level 3 professionals. At last conclusion, HNT MT Level 3 certification represents technical excellence and professional competence. Refreshing your knowledge periodically strengthens confidence, improves technical judgment, and supports continued professional growth. If you are preparing for HNT MT Level 3 renewal or revalidation, the HNT MT Level 3 refresher course from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is designed specifically for you. Contact us. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on NDT, HNT Level 3 certification, inspection technologies, welding and engineering excellence. See you in the next video. Thank you.